Hi, I'm Alex, and in this video I will show you how to replace the screen of this 2016 or 2017 Acer E15 E5575G series laptop. It's very easy. So grab here or use a plastic card or something, and you can hear it. Clip, be very careful, and you can remove the frame. So you can use also a plastic card here. So a little bit strong, so clip. And now so I use a plastic card. It's the first time for me that I disassemble this laptop here. So, and so, voila. And now you can see the screen and 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. You have to remove them. So I remove them for you. One, 2, 3. There are different types of screens for this series, with full HD or with HD or with different resolutions. So now you can see here, this is the connector. You can remove it. Use the screwdriver to remove this plastic here. So now be very careful. And so now I remove the tape. This is the first time that I remove this tape here. So now you can unplug here this connector. So I will zoom in for you a little bit. So you can see it here. This is the connector. I will reconnect them. You can put it here. Clip. So now it's, you can see it's connected here. 100% connected. So the type here in this model is B156XTN07.1 from 2016. I think the screen costs between $50–60. It's not very expensive, but they are used very thin displays, so it's easy to get them broken. So in this laptop the screen is okay, so I put it back and I connect the screen here, and now you can put a tape on it to get sure that the connector is 100% connected, and then put it back, put the frame on, and voila! It's very easy. So if you have any questions, you can write me a comment, and goodbye!